Joining us now is Riggs Eckelberry. Riggs is the CEO of OriginClear Incorporated, OCLN's their stock symbol. Riggs, welcome back.
Thank you.
Now, you guys just underwent a reverse split.
Yes, and we did that really because we're so happy with how we're doing. The numbers are right on track as I've been reporting. Very happy with the team. We're right in the slot with our business model. And as we're growing, we've also just cleaning up the capital structure, make the company more investable for the future.
Now, I know we have Tom Marchesello on the line with us. What's going on with Tom?
Well, actually, Tom is our brilliant Chief Operating Officer, and he comes from a financial tech background, and he was the one who came to me and said, Riggs, ESG, environmental and social governance, we are right in the slot for that. And in fact, we have a graph here from this CEO update that I did, and there's nearly 100 ESG portfolios, and there's $22 trillion under management, right? It's a quarter of all assets in the world are ESG portfolio assets. And part of ESG is this water management. The problem is that up till now, there's relatively few public companies that are in water management, but OriginClear is changing that.
Hey, Tom, welcome to the program.
Thanks for having me.
Any comment on what Riggs just said?
Yeah, I appreciate that, Riggs. But ESG is a cool space, but I think it gets confused, for a lot of folks. Like it's huge and it's important, and sometimes it gets lost in the shuffle as to what's an ESG stock or what's a ESG play, if you want to call it such a thing. And I think when you use the ESG, you got to define it, as the environmental. Social and governance is, what the three things stand for. And under the environmental side of things, we've had the old phases of socially responsible investing and green investing and blue investing and all the manifestations of it for 10 years. And now they've Wall Street's decided ESG is a better term for this because they have the ability to rate these things and track them now. And within their definitions, water is a big piece of, environmental, stewardship. And so being a water company, we actually stand to, fit right into that slot for everybody. But the biggest story for us is not just like, hey, we're a good ESG investment play for these investors, but we're an enabler. We're literally able to enable hundreds and thousands of companies and clients all around the world to be more socially responsible, to be more environmentally responsible, to actually improve water quality as well as environmental conditions for lots of other people. And we're really excited about that. It's kind of a super cool play.
That's really the mission statement of OriginClear, is making water better.
Well, not only that, it's really to help the businesses that are being saddled with water. The upside is if you're a public company and you're now treating water and you weren't before, and you weren't an ESG portfolio company before, you just became one. This helps your value, your valuation, because thousands of ESG analysts are looking for you to invest in.
Once again, OriginClear, OCLN's their stock symbol. Tom, Riggs, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You have a great day.